Hello everyone, I'm going to show how we could connect MS SQL servers. We have 5 MS SQL servers and we are going to connect all other servers to server 20501 server. Ultimate goal in here to create a distributed database system. Then we can access data from other servers, data from the other servers using 20501 server. You can see there's a 5 servers: 20501, 20500, 503, 504, and 505. uh, in server 20501 has 3 database: central, Mankato, fuzzy table, and OS4. OS4 database vertically, horizontally fragmented and replicated to the other servers and also to the central Mankato database. You can see it does has all these tables now, but we replicated into tables into here, and region 1 has in the 2050500 server, and region 2 data has in the 503 server, region 3 and 4 in the 504 server, and region 5 and 6 in the 505 server. And each region contain these views: customer, employee vertically for the each region, order line, order, product, promotion, quantity discount, return category, return product, and tax region for each region. You can see if you open here the same views. And central Mankato has I already told these have these tables replicated from the OS4, so we no longer need the OS4 database. So to link the server or region, first you need to go to the server object and click the plus sign, and you need to click and open the link servers. And I already link all these below for servers. You can see it in here. These servers I link into here. So I will delete one of that, and I'm going to delete the 20500 server. Let's say yes. And to link the server, you first need to right click the link server, and you need to click the new link server, and you can give the any name in here. I'm going to give the same name as appeared in here. And if it's a SQL server, you don't want to worry about anything in here. If it's other than SQL server, you need to click the other data source, and you need to give the provider, product name, and data source. And then I'm going to go to the security section, and you can add the local login, impersonate, and remote user and remote password over here also. And I usually use this section, and I already log in all the 5001 using SA. You can see it in here, SA login. I'm going to give that login in here, and I'm going to give my password in here. And if after you click OK, it will be going to link to the server 501. You can see it in here. This server is linked to the server 20501. If you go over here, you can check it just has the region 1. I'll check it in here. It just also has the region 1. So you can see the region 1 database having in here. And if I go here, if you click views, you can see that the same views in here has in also in the here also. So that's how you link the servers. The next thing is you need to run this one to verify what are the link servers in server 501. Copy that one and do it again. Okay, use new query. Paste this one. Select all from sys servers. And click execute. And orange one is the 20501 server, and all the other servers are linked here. You can find it in here. Is linked. If it is a linked server, it will say one. You can see all the other four servers are linked to the 501 server. Thank you.